We just have to graph this? Is that what it say?
Yeah.
Grab it? We grab it. Okay, natural log of x is going to be our MF. This is your mother function, people. All right, a mother function for a log has an asymptote at x equals 0. And then you have that special point right there that we all know and love. What is that special point that all natural logarithms have?
0, 1.
Yeah, 0, 1. No, yet. Dang it, you guys make me sound stupid. Yeah, you did. Stop it. Okay. All right, so what are these shifts doing? We have a -6 right here. Is that an H or a K? You know because of these parentheses. Yeah, that is an H. So if that is a -6, which direction are we going to shift our function over? To the right, how many spaces? 6. And so let's put an asymptote right there at -6. All right, so... Oh, dang, you said right, huh? Stupid. Okay, so I got -6 right here. I'm +6. Dang it. My words aren't working today. All right, then we have this negative out in front. Now, is this negative changing the x values or the y values on this thing? The y values. So that means on if we look at our MF right here, these values are going to go down here. That means all these points right here, they're going to flip, okay? So they're going to, whatever's positive changes to negative, whatever's negative changes to positive. So we got this special point right here because we shifted it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have this happening. Whoa. Okay, that's it.
Wait.